Hello guys, this is Olayemi Diekolola Daniels, popularly known as Dieko Spectre, and this is another episode of Dieko Talks Law. Hey, Jesus is Lord. When I saw that particular video, I was disgusted and annoyed. Why? Because of three major things that I want to share in this video. The first one is the fact that there is an animal who sexually assaulted a woman on the road. I mean, a man sexually assaulted a woman on the road like that, and then everybody around her, which is the second thing, were laughing. The men around her were laughing and they were doing nothing about it. And we will both agree that the reason those men were laughing is because they do it to other women too. So that is like a shared knowledge amongst them that when they see a woman who, according to their standard, is indecently dressed, they decide to sexually assault her and laugh about it. That is the kind of society that we are living in, which is very, very disgusting. Speaking of disgusting, one of the most disgusting things I've seen in my life is where you see or you hear that people start giving excuses for this type of act because of the way the particular person is dressed. Now, I saw this thing on Today Egnot's page, and when I was reading Today Egnot's caption, I saw that Today Egnot implied that the dressing of a woman would matter when she has been sexually assaulted. That mentality needs to be cancelled. We need to forget that kind of mentality. We need to change it. Oh wrong. For you to say that because a woman is indecently dressed, it means that she should be sexually assaulted, or at least she's inviting people to come and sexually assault her, is wrong. A woman can dress the way she wants, subject to the fact that wherever she's going to, there are rules and regulations that might restrict those dressings. For example, if you are going to church, there is a way you are supposed to dress. If you are going to the university senate, there is a way you are supposed to dress. If you are going to a public office or a ministry, there is a way you are supposed to dress. But then, is there a way you are supposed to dress when you are going to the market? Is there a dress code? Or probably there is a dress code that I don't know of. Is there a dress code for women when going to the market? Because if we are talking about indecent dressing, there are so many boys that go to the market with singlets and then with their shorts, almost reaching their knees. That's by sagging. Why are we not talking about those boys? Why can't girls come and tap them on their private part and say, yes, you too, why you wear this kind of thing come out? Because the girls are same. So we need men to stop painting us as insane by saying because a woman dresses in a particular way, it gives us the consent to indecently assault her anyhow. That is a very, very stupid and disgusting mentality that we are supposed to change as a people. When you are talking about morality and how a woman is supposed to be dressed, restrict it to your house. Restrict it to your brothers and sisters or your people around. When you come outside, a woman outside has the right to dress any way she wants to dress. It does not affect what you should do. It doesn't give you the permission to touch her body indecently. And we need to start getting this message out. Women can dress the way they want, the same way a man can dress the way he wants. A man can decide to wear singlet or even go out bare-chested or with boxers. And if a man should do that, we will probably say he's a madman. But that does not in any way means that he's going to be sexually assaulted by the other gender, which is something that we need to stop. When women dress the way they want to dress, they should not in any way be assaulted by men men because of their dressing. That is one thing we need to stop. And you are going to have been seeing on the screen different comments by different people saying that she caused it because she dressed in a particular way. We need to stop this thing. A woman dressing in a particular way does not mean that you should sexually assault her. Lastly, you should know that when you say that in cases of this nature where a woman has been sexually assaulted, and then you say that, oh, her dressing is what made him do that to her, or things like that, then it shows that you have the mentality of a rapist. I even read one particular comment where the guy, after saying a lot of things, now said that you should even be grateful that he did not meet you in corner. And I was like, hey, Jesus Christ, she should be grateful that he did not meet her in corner. So if he had met her in corner, what should have happened? Because I'm lost. So this is the kind of mentality that people still hold, that women should dress in a particular manner, because if they don't dress in that manner, then they are inviting rapists. It means that if you are holding such opinion, then there is a very high tendency that you are one. Because that is just a very reasonable presumption. If you hold a particular opinion that if a woman dresses in a particular manner, then she's inviting people to rape her, it means that there's a very high tendency that you are one. Very simple and very short. This is a mentality that we are supposed to do away with. And we are supposed to keep preaching it and talking about it all the time, so that those men on the streets can stop it. And wherever you are, where you see that particular action, don't just overlook that, oh, it is not a by the way thing. It is going to one day happen to your sister, or one day happen to your daughters. So the actions that you take now would help change the mentality in future, which is why I'm currently taking this step by educating people who might still have that particular perspective. So now, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the like button and also click the notification bell, so that anytime I release any video which is going to be of interest to you, you are going to be one of the first set of people to watch that particular video. Then lastly, before I go, I saw this particular video where Egungun Masquerade was singing praise and worship, and I was like, hey, Jesus.